So we start off by going to the customer portal and getting a license key. So we'll get the community edition license, which is free. As we see, we now have our license key. So we'll copy this over and go back to Proxmox, and we'll deploy a new virtual machine. We'll name this Pextra ISO test. We'll want to upload the Pextra ISO, and we go back to the customer portal, click on the Download ISO tab, generate a link and download the ISO. I have already uploaded the ISO. You can do that by clicking on a storage pool, clicking on ISO images, and then uploading the ISO through here. I already have the Pextra ISO. So we'll go back and deploy Pextra ISO test. Choose Pextra.iso. We'll keep these settings. We'll allocate 32 GB disk. Give it some more cores in memory. Give it one network device, and then start the virtual machine. So as we see, this is the installer screen. So the installer is loaded. We'll go ahead and go through the steps. We'll configure the network based on your setup. And here we enter the license key. So we have the license key from here. We'll just paste it in here. So license key has been validated. We'll continue. We'll configure the country and time zone. Set the admin password. Configure the disk. We only have one disk here, and we'll use the default XFS file system. And we'll go ahead and start the installation process. This will take between 10 to 20 minutes, depending on the speed of your system and the network.